Doctor, you say in your hospital record that the patient suffered from gastralgia. That is correct. And what exactly is gastralgia? Gastralgia is epigastric pain. Doctor, you also mentioned in the hospital record nephralgia. Yes, the patient suffered from nephralgia. And what exactly, sir, is nephralgia? Nephralgia is renal pain. So, doctor, when I see neuralgia, that is a pain in the nerve? That is precisely correct. Now you are getting the hang of it. Doctor, don't volunteer. Very well. What is bronchogenic? Bronchogenic pertains to the windpipe. Genic, the suffix, means originating in. So bronchogenic means originating in the bronchi or windpipe. Doctor, again you have neurogenic. Yes, we have been over that. Originating in the nerves. And doctor, finally, I see you have pathogenic. Yes, pathogenic. Patho means disease. And, as I said before, genic means disease producing. So pathogenic is not good? It is not good. What is hemolysis? Well, hemolysis or hemolysis is a breaking down of the red blood cells. How do you determine that, doctor? That is determined in the laboratory. We check out the eosinophils, the leukocytes, and the other cells of the blood. Doctor, and neurolysis would be what? Well, neurolysis or neurolysis would be a disintegration of the nerve tissue. And myolysis or myolysis would be the destruction of muscular tissue, since the prefix myo means muscle. Doctor, you mentioned the fibroid in this hospital record. That is right. It refers to the fibers. It is a tumor, doctor? Yes, a fibroid usually refers to a tumor of fibrous tissue resembling fibers. And lipoid? Lipoid means fat-like. Lymphoid? Lymphoid means resembling lymph. Doctor, what about anisocytosis? Anisocytosis is an inequality of the size of cells. And furthermore, you have lymphocytosis, which is an excess of lymph cells in the body. Doctor, did this patient suffer from leukopenia? Yes, she did. And what is leukopenia? Leukopenia is the abnormal decrease of leukocytes in the blood. And that is neutropenia? No, neutropenia is different from leukopenia. Neutropenia means an abnormal decrease of the neutrophils in the blood. This is all determined in the laboratory, incidentally. Doctor, what is a chirospasm? Well, chiro means hand, so it is a spasm or contraction of the hand. It is sometimes called by the layman writer's cramp. Doctor, the dactylospasm is what? That is a spasm or cramp in the fingers or toes. since dactyl refers to the fingers or toes. And finally, doctor, you have in your hospital record that this patient suffered from enterospasms. Yes, that is correct. And what exactly are enterospasms? Enterospasms are painful intestinal contractions. Doctor, when a patient has an adenectomy, what does that mean? It means the patient has undergone an operation, an excision of a gland. And what is that for? That is for the adenoma or tumor or glandular tumor. And is it aerobic? It can be aerobic, that is, pertaining to organisms which live only in the presence of air.